Hello everyone, my name is Henry Lau from Elliott Wave Forex.com. Welcome to the chart of the day. Today is Wednesday, January the 9th, 2019. The time is around 3:30 a.m. GMT. So today we will be looking at the chart of the Canadian dollars. This is US dollar CAD 60 minutes chart. We can see over here that the move lower that starts from this 136.70, this move lower, it looks impulsive, which means that it is unfolding as a 5 waves. An impulse is a 5 waves down here. We can see this is 1, 2, and then 3, 4, and then we are calling this as a with 5 right now. Now, as typical in an impulse, you can see that with 5 typically will have a divergence in the momentum, right? Because the wave 5 in an impulse usually has a lack of momentum. That's why you can see here. You can use we use RSI here, and you can see there is a divergence there with the higher lows in the RSI, but a lower low in the price here. Okay, and so that suggests that this could be already in the wave 5, and we should be expecting the 5 waves to complete any moment, and the pair then can start to bounce in 3 waves to correct the 5 waves down over here. You can see that the wave 3 in the red degree subdivides into another impulse, right? So you can see this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in the black, which is one lower degree than the red degree here, and then with 5 in the black, further subdivides into a five waves in the blue degree, a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as you guys know that in a 5 waves impulse, with 1, with 3, and with 5, they all subdivide into 5 waves. This is the sort of the general structure of a 5 waves impulse. We got this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then once that 5 waves is complete, we should get 3 waves correction, either in the form of an ABC zigzag or something else. So that's why you can see here, once this 5 waves down is complete, we should get a 3 waves reaction. So we are calling this for now as a zigzag ABC. Now, how deep the bounce is, sometimes it can be around 50% of this, right? 50% retracement, sometimes less, right? But the most important thing is we should be getting some sort of a 3 waves bounce once this 5 waves is complete. Now, it is hard to know exactly when the 5 waves is going to be complete, right? Because it is an impulse. So I don't think it's a good idea to try to fade, because these 3 waves, when that happens, is going to be counter trend, right? Since we got a 5 waves move down, that means any bounce or any rally from here is going to be expected to fail below 136.70 for the downside in the US dollar Canadian dollars. All right, so that means that in the medium term, at least, we should expect more downside in the US dollar CAD, and in the shorter cycle, it is kind of, like I said, it is tough to pick the exact low here, and this can continue to extend lower, guys, within the 5 waves down, and so it's not a good idea to try to pick the lows here. But if let's say if the pair starts to rally, and let's say it breaks this bearish channel here, then that could signal that the 5 waves down, the 5 waves move can be over if it breaks above it, and then it can already start the 3 waves bounce that we are looking for here, and then that bounce again should be should fail below 136.70, and then after that we should see for the downside at the least in another 5 waves down in the wave C, right? So if this is an ABC, this is going to be a zigzag move to the downside, right? So that's what we are looking for in the US dollar CAD. I hope you enjoy it, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.